Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, quick and dirty update here on MSTR Strategy Incorporated trading on the Nasdaq. When I made my last video here, we traded around $240, and that was also my first video which I made on MSTR. Why? Because we have here a very reliable trend channel pattern which helps us to identify potential short squeeze entries and exits. So this is an algo trend channel pattern which of course has a limited range of volatility, but if we squeeze out of this trend channel pattern, MSTR could be able to see even here a short squeeze. So I give you now here my full chart analysis and update here. Everything what I say is not financial advice, guys. And first of all, sorry for my voice. I have been sick the past 2 days. I give my best to make this video here as comfortable as possible. Yeah guys, let's first start here to check TradingView. Let's check the price actions what we had. We know that we had here a gap down for MSTR at $276. As I said, when I released my video, we traded here in the $240 range here, $240, $250. And I said that, of course, one of the price goals is to close this gap at $276. Let's quickly check here TradingView and simulate the price action before we talk about the next price levels here for MSTR. So I press play here. Zack, zack, zack. So very quick. So guys, this is, as I said, where I released the video, and you can see already the next day here, this gap has been filled. This is what the algos have to do to close open gaps here. That's why the market makers create these kind of shakeouts here. That was a hidden signal, and we can see that here since the video release we are more or less up in total of 38%. This is what I tried to do here, guys. So we delete this open gap. I not only tried to explain you how trading works, I also try to predict short squeezes in the market. It is always more or less based on the same rules. We had here one hot stock squeeze of 136%. I posted that on Patreon here on that day when we hit the second squeeze trigger price level here. The green line was the squeeze trigger price level, and you can see when I posted this here on Patreon, 1 day later we had a 136% squeeze. Same here with a small gap. So it is the same structure like for MSTR, but of course with a little bit of a different setup. And I just released now here my brand new hot stock video, guys. Every Sunday you will see these videos here on Patreon where I try to predict the short squeezes for the upcoming weeks and days. This is of course not financial advice. I cannot give you any guarantee, but we had here a lot of squeezes in the market, and even the market is bearish right now. The month March is a bearish month. That doesn't mean that we cannot see short squeezes, which is confirmed here by this 136% squeeze. If you want to see these hot stocks, guys, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in, guys. We're growing here very fast and very quick. If you also want to become a member, you can click here the video description or check the video description. There is the link to the Patreon membership, and you not only get here my hot stocks and trading alerts, I have also member FAQ section where I answer questions for beginners, trading beginners, trading tutorials and other stuff is available here on Patreon, guys. So let's now zoom out and let's get the bigger picture here for MSTR. First, guys, I'm super bullish on this ticker here. It is very comparable with Tesla and SMCI, where I also predicted both short squeezes here. Tesla, as you know, had a new all-time high, and SMCI is in the middle of a bullish reversal right now. Also, after I released my videos on SMCI, we had here more than 200% squeeze. And this is the same structure which I see here for MSTR. So no matter what the news are telling you, guys, I don't care. I just check the chart, and what I can tell you is that we are trading now here in an descending trend channel pattern here. This is this pattern here, guys. And of course the market makers don't want to just push the price higher. They always want to get the lowest possible price before they cover their positions or settle their fail to delivers. Same like here, guys, we had a squeeze and an accumulation for a couple of months before the next squeeze happened. This is what we want to see for MSTR as well. So where are the price levels for this, guys? It's very simple. Overall, MSTR is in a very strong uptrend, marked by this trend channel pattern here, guys. Yeah, this is, you can see, the macro trend channel pattern where we are in a strong uptrend. We squeezed out of this trend channel pattern, and in my opinion, the lowest possible price which we should see here for MSTR, if we really would see here a straight line to the downside, is here in the $75 range, but $142, guys, is a very, very strong support. That's why I said the bullish accumulation zone here for MSTR is between $209 and $141. if the market should turn bearish, guys, we are still in a bull market within a bearish month, so March is bearish. And if the bull market in which you are trading here should turn bearish, guys, yes, then even price goals here of $70 or $80 are possible for MSTR. If this is just here a shakeout month, which is usually very typical for March, then I think, guys, here in this price range we should find a support. A retest here of this price level is usually not forcing a squeeze. The market makers want to bring the price back in this trend channel, macro trend channel pattern here, guys, and as soon as we leave this micro trend channel pattern to the upside, we know that the bullish reversal is confirmed. Bullish reversal, of course, after this accumulation here, because overall we are in a very bullish structure, and this is what I expect here for MSTR. So when we check the indicators here, we also know that we have two very important open gaps to the downside, $176 and $139. That's why I believe, guys, we will come down here in this accumulation zone. I don't want to scare you or want to sound too bearish, but as I said, as long as we don't break out here out of this trend channel pattern, guys, we cannot talk about a bullish reversal or even a short squeeze. Of course, it can happen at any time, but what we can see is that the middle line here of this trend channel, so we have the upper line, the lower line as a buy signal here. Of course, when the price touches the lower line, we have a buy signal. When we touch the upper line, we have a sell signal, and this here, the middle line, is acting as a neutral zone, and you can see that we had the attempt to squeeze over this middle line and got rejected. This is the reason why I usually never work with EMA lines or stuff like that. You can use that, to get some orientation, but if you know how to spot here these trading channels and stuff like that, that makes it much more easy to also spot short squeeze entries, guys. By the way, this is here everything based on TradingView. What you see here, this is the chart program that I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you also want to learn trading, guys, please watch all my videos to build up some knowledge. Even better when you join the membership, because I have also tutorials there available, but also get yourself a good chart program like this one here, guys. This is called TradingView. And as I said, I use that for all my videos and all my trades. I can offer you also a $15 discount link for TradingView if you wanted to get that program today. The $15 link is for the premium tier. And when you want to get this TradingView discount link, guys, the link is also available here in the video description. Yeah, guys, this is my personal game plan for MSTR. I personally would not FOMO in yet, or I never FOMO into stocks. I would not buy in yet, let's call it like that. Even maybe I miss here a squeeze. I think we will see here new all-time highs coming, but we need to come a little bit lower. And as I said, the previous accumulation zone was this price range here between $209 and $141. So I want to see a retest of this price range here, and in best case, as I said, with closing these two gaps here, and that would be the moment where I personally set my buy orders here for MSTR. Not financial advice, but this is my personal trading strategy. So, my friends, it was the quick and dirty update on MSTR. Don't forget here to check out our latest hot stocks on Patreon with the short squeeze predictions for the upcoming week. I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.